And that's it. That's all you need to do. It's not more complicated than that. Talking about the electric balloon pump. This is amazing. It does come in a bunch of different colors, so don't be surprised if you're looking at one that's pink or blue, or in my case, I got a purple one. They're all the same. They are all 600 watt max. The unit kind of standard comes with these two adapters, which gives you a longer reach. So it doesn't matter what type of balloons you're using, or if you're using a foil balloon, you'll be able to use the attachments or just straight off the pump. Now the pump is set up to constantly blow air out of both of these guys at the same time, but you do have an option on how to turn it on. I can either trigger it by actually having the switch in the off position, and as soon as I push on this, it's on. Now, if I want to have them both come on all the time and stay on, then all you do is hit the switch. And now that's permanently on. And that's it. That's all you need to do. It's not more complicated than that. Or if I decide I want to do both, I can put this guy down when I bring this on. It's that simple. I mean, that's how you fill up balloons. I mean, it couldn't get any easier than that.